Here's how to make a virtual escape room using free Google products. Find an image for the background of your room. Use the background button to make sure that your image stays put. If you want to add more clues to the room, you may need to remove the white background from an image. Remove.bg will turn any image's solid background into a transparent background. You might want to link a website, video, or audio clip to a specific spot on the page. Use the Shapes tool to create a transparent shape. Click the shape and select Link to link your clue. Google Sites can house your escape rooms and allow for hidden navigation. Pages hidden from navigation are great to add more rooms to your escape room experience. Double-clicking the old chest will lead the user to the secret page. Forms can be formatted so that users cannot see the next question until they answer correctly. Response validation allows you to customize the feedback when an incorrect answer is submitted. Have fun creating!